Okay, you guys, this is Uncle P, and I'm going to make this video extremely quick because I'm out here in the Miami area. Thank you guys, Miami. You guys are wonderful out here. And for my beautiful wife's birthday. Hi, honey. Alright, so anyway, here's the deal. Let me go over this. This video is not really for social media people who haven't joined, but for those who are on the squad, who's joined the Super Easy Forex team. I am on vacation, and I took these trades, I think, on Thursday, and got ready for what I call the Friday flush. That's where the market tends to flush out everything that's been holding and holding and holding. And so let me show you guys a total of 196 pips on the trades I took. Now, again, I don't recommend taking this many trades, but everything was looking so delicious, so I had no choice. And before we continue, please take a look. This is a live account, okay, right here. And this is the 1024. So when I took these, it was on 1021, 1021 and to 1022. Okay, so October 21st is when I took the trades. 2021. So even if you see this video 5 years from now, you'll be able to look at your own charts. Don't even look at the trading system. Check your own charts to see that this was the price action pattern on those dates right here. And I'll put my crosshairs up. Let me see just to make sure I'm on the right date. Yep, and that is the 22nd was right here. I entered on the 21st. So October 21st is when I entered these trades. So watch all these trades and check this out. Now, for those who came to class, I told you guys when the market starts giving a lot of noise and false moves to increase the filter. I told you guys to increase the filter on the simplicity system, and so that's all I did. And I started taking trades up to 1 hour and 4 hour time frame, like we talked about in class. So if you haven't joined and haven't came to class, you need to do so. So let me show you how simple these trades were. So let's start with this one. This is the CAD JPY. You see I'm up 77 pips on this one. This is one position, 77 pips, and it looks like it got a long way to go. Okay, let's go to trade number 2, AUD Swiss. And those who was in class know I'm not a fan of the Swiss, but I had to take the money. They was putting it out there. You see it came down, did it pull back, and right there, got them. Bang, 25 pips, and it's still possibly going to run. Based off of what I was seeing on the 4 hour time frame. You see how long that move was on the 4 hour, okay, to the upside. Now looks like it got plenty of downside to go, so we'll see how that plays out. All right, next let's go to the AUD. You see I'm up 42 pips on that. Now this is 2 positions on this one, so it's technically 22 pips each, 21 pips each position, but hey, looking pretty. Same setup, same simple stuff. It's in my strike zone, just like we talk about. Now it's not a 415er, but it was still off that 1 hour, so I still caught it, and I'll let it ride down. Let's go to the next one, Euro CAD. I told you I'm just running through them. You can do your math. See, very simple. You see that right there, right there. Boom. Now went sideways for a minute. Now it seems to be curving up. So that's another 16 pips. Okay. Let's go to the next one. Okay, and that is 13 pips. See, look at the arrow right there, right there. You cannot say you can't see it. And you can see it made a slant kind of double bottom. See, right here, curved back around, didn't touch all the way, but that's okay. It doesn't always have to do it exact to the point. It may pull back, but that's okay. But here's, as you can see, right here, here's a low. Then when it did pull back, it created what? A higher low, which means uptrend looks like it will begin. Hopefully so, because I'll be holding this one. Look how long this one had failed. Wow. So now, and you can see it clearly from here, those who trade the market makers method, you can see that double bottom right there, the W pattern you always talk about. So if it holds, perfect. If not, that's okay. Not a big deal. On to the next trade. Now, let's go to the Euro USD. This is a unique one. And you see here that I called it right here. Got me 5 pips on this small pullback. So you say, why did you take this trade if this is saying down but this is up? Well, as we talked about in class, sometimes you take a look at the higher time frame, and this may pull back on me. So I had got in off of the 4 hour. Remember we talked about this on the 4 hour time frame, how it can cough up major pips if you increase the filter. This one move was 113 pips. This move here was a total of 254 pips. And this move here just began off the 4 hour, so that means it could pull back, which I expect it may pull back. But if it continues up, that could be 275 pips for each one of these. Well, from where I entered, let me measure from where I entered. Okay, so from here to here, that could be 260 or so of pips. And I'm going to show you guys this account because this one is one that I just started on last week with a small amount, a G-stack, just to show you guys what you can do with a small account. Okay, put a G-stack in. I'm already up a little over 30% on this trading account, doing exactly what I told you guys in class. So I'll be showing you this account. The students in class will go over this again, step by step again. But again, guess I threw a G-stack in here. I'm up 30%, a little over 30% in profit in less than a week. Okay. Now let's go to the last one, and that's this one here, and we're going to go right back to the 1 hour time frame. Just using it. There you go. Tell me you can't see it right there. It's literally right there. Now look what happened the last time when it was to the upside. Look at this move here. Massive pips. Massive amount of pips. Why? Because we're filtering out the noise. And that was 200 pips on that move. So if this thing continues down, let's take a look at my 4 hour. 4 hour telling me it's pretty. It's in my strike zone. Look at that. And see, these are these moves off the 4 hour that we talked about. Look at that. Boom. To the bottom, 180 pips there. Okay. Here we go to the upside from this one here. Look at that. To the top, 218. I'm telling you guys, this is just powerful stuff. Even this little short move here. From here to here, that was 100 pips. I'm telling you. Just follow directions. Come to class, follow directions. From here to here, that was 180. Okay? So either way it goes, 100 moves, 100 pip moves on the 4 hour, or you can drop down to that 1 hour with that higher filter that we talked about in class and clock you some pips. Okay? Well, I'm out of here. I've got to go back on vacation with my wife. We are going down to the beach. As you can see, you can hear the noise in the background of we stand on the ocean front, and it's beautiful. So I'm taking my beautiful wife to the beautiful beach, and I'm out of here, and I will see you guys in class on Tuesday. All right?